9 out of 10 drivers are essentially operating their vehicles in demo mode, completely unaware of the high-level engineering buried inside their own dashboards. But here's the kicker. One of these hidden protocols can literally save you a $4,000 engine replacement bill, yet you likely ignore it every single morning. Before you hand over another cent to a repair shop, you need to see these 15 secret features that most mechanics would prefer stayed secret. Stick around because number 7 is a total game changer for your engine's longevity. Let's dive in with secret number 15. Secret feature number 15, protect your battery in a push of a button. Imagine walking out to your car on a freezing morning, hitting the ignition and hearing nothing but a hollow click. Your battery is dead and your day is ruined. Most drivers think this is just bad luck, but it's actually avoidable. Your car likely has a hidden deep storage or guardian mode designed to slash parasitic power draw when the vehicle is sitting for more than a few days. For Toyota and Lexus, lock your car normally, then immediately hit the lock button twice in rapid succession. A long, distinct beep confirms the car has entered a power-save state, shutting down non-essential polling sensors that drain voltage. For Honda and Acura, hold the lock button for 3 seconds after the initial lock. 2 hazard flashes mean the car is in deep sleep. For Mazda and Subaru, similar sequences of lock-hold or lock-unlock-lock combinations trigger this logic. Beyond saving your battery, this trick actually makes your car harder to steal. It kills the electronic handshake signal that high-tech thieves use to relay your key fob signal from inside your house to your driveway. Have you ever wondered why your battery dies after just a week at the airport? This is your fix. Secret feature number 14, defog your windshield automatically with a press. We've all been there. It starts pouring and within seconds your windshield is a wall of white fog. You're frantically wiping it with your sleeve and fumbling with the fan speed while trying to stay in your lane. Stop doing that. Your car has a rapid dehumidification logic called ADS, automatic defogging system. Instead of just tapping the defroster, press and hold the button for 3 to 5 seconds. On most modern vehicles, this tells the HVAC computer to ignore your manual settings and enter emergency clear mode. It immediately kicks on the AC compressor to pull moisture out of the cabin, pins the fan to max, and kills the recirculation flap to bring in dry outside air. You'll go from zero visibility to crystal clear view in under 20 seconds flat. Secret feature number 13, fuel pump reset button that saves your life. You hit a massive pothole or a curb and suddenly the engine dies. It cranks fine, but it won't fire. Most people call a tow truck assuming the fuel pump just died. Wait, you likely just tripped the inertia switch. This is a safety device designed to cut fuel flow during an accident to prevent fires. A violent jolt from a pothole can trick the sensor into thinking you've crashed. Instead of paying a $200 tow and a $150 diagnostic fee, look for a small reset button, usually red or black, hidden behind the kick panel in the passenger footwell or inside the trunk trim. Press it until it clicks, and you'll be back on the road for $0. Think about that. How many people have paid for a new fuel pump when they just needed to press a button? Secret feature number 12, cold start engine protection protocol. The first 30 seconds of an engine's life every morning are the most violent. The oil is at its thickest, and your camshafts are essentially metal on metal. Mechanics see the results of this at 90,000 miles when they charge you $800 for worn valvetrain components. Here's the professional expert start method. After firing the engine, hold the brake pedal firmly for 10 seconds before shifting into gear. On many modern ECUs, this tells the computer to maintain a fast idle and adjust the variable valve timing to reduce the load on the cam bearings while the oil pump builds full pressure. Research shows this habit can measurably reduce top-end wear over the life of the vehicle. 10 seconds of patience saves you a week in the shop. Secret feature number 11, silent alarm lock confirmation. Does your car let out a loud honk every time you lock it? It's annoying for your neighbors and frankly, it's outdated. You can actually toggle this into silent confirmation mode without any special tools. On most Toyotas and Hondas, holding the lock button for 3 seconds toggles the horn off, leaving only the hazard lights to flash. You can also dive into the vehicle settings menu on your infotainment screen under keyless answer back. It makes your late-night arrivals much more discreet and keeps you on good terms with the neighborhood. Secret feature number 10, cruise control downhill engine braking. Most people think cruise control is just for holding speed on the flats, but on modern cars, it's actually a brake saver. When you start a long descent on a mountain road, don't just ride your brakes that leads to overheating and brake fade. Instead, engage your cruise control. The transmission will automatically downshift, using the engine's vacuum engine braking to hold your speed. This keeps your brake pads cool and ready for an emergency, and it can add thousands of miles to the life of your rotors. Secret feature number 9, sunroof recalibration reset. If your sunroof is acting up, stopping halfway, or losing its one-touch feature, don't go to the dealer for a $200 software reset. This usually happens after a battery swap or a jump start. To fix it, turn the car to on and hold the close button for 10 full seconds even after it's shut. You'll hear a faint click. That's the motor learning its stop points again. This works for power windows too. It's a 30-second fix that the dealership hopes you never find out about. Why pay for a diagnostic when you can just hold a button? Secret feature number 8, electronic parking brake service mode. If you have a button instead of a handle for your parking brake, listen closely. Do not try to change your rear brakes yourself without this. If you try to force those brake pistons back manually like a traditional car, you will snap the internal plastic gears of the electric motor, a $1,000 mistake. You must put the car into EPB service mode. Usually this involves a sequence of holding the brake pedal and the EPB button for 10 seconds until you hear the motors whir all the way back. Only then is it safe to swap your pads. DIYers who skip this step end up paying twice, once for the pads and once for the actuator they wrecked. Secret feature number 7, remote window and sunroof ventilation. On a 100-degree day, the air inside your car can reach 140 degrees. Don't just hop in and suffer. Most fobs have a global opening feature. Press unlock once, then press and hold it again. Every window in the car will drop simultaneously and the sunroof will tilt. This lets that oven air escape before you even touch the door handle. It's a standard feature on millions of cars from Honda to Ford that most owners simply never try. Secret feature number 6, hidden diagnostic self-test menu. You don't always need a $2,000 scan tool to know why your car feels off. Most instrument clusters have a dealer mode built in. By holding the odometer reset button while cycling the ignition or tapping it rapidly, the sequence varies by brand, you can force the car to display its internal trouble codes. If you see anything other than zeros, you know exactly what's wrong before you even talk to a mechanic. Knowledge is power, especially when it keeps you from being overcharged for a mystery repair. Secret feature number 5, emergency engine shutoff override. What do you do if your throttle sticks at 70 mph? Most people panic and try to jab the start-stop button. If you just tap it while moving, nothing happens. It's a safety feature to prevent accidental shutoffs. But if you hold it for 3 seconds, the engine dies and so does your power steering and brake boost. The expert way, shift to neutral first, then hit the button once. You'll kill the power but keep the steering and braking assist active, allowing you to glide safely to the shoulder with full control. If you're in a traditional key car, turn it to ACC never off, or you'll lock your steering wheel. Secret feature number 4, automatic seat and mirror memory recall. Seat memory isn't just for when your spouse drives the car, it's for you versus your car. Deep in your settings menu, look for easy exit. When enabled, the seat will automatically slide back and the steering wheel will tilt up the moment you put the car in park. It makes getting out of a low sedan or a tight SUV effortless. When you get back in and hit the start button, it hugs you back into your perfect driving position. It turns a mid-range car into a luxury experience with one toggle. Secret feature number 3, suspension root hidden feature. High-end vehicles with adaptive dampers can actually learn. If you drive the same commute every day, the GPS talks to the suspension. After about 3 trips, the car recognizes that dip in the road near your house and pre-adjusts the damping a split second before you hit it. Make sure route learning is toggled on in your chassis settings to turn your daily drive into a magic carpet ride. Does your car feel smoother on your way to work than on a new road? This is why. Secret feature number 2, automatic headlight washer scheduling. If your car has those little pop-out sprayers for the headlights, don't leave them on manual. Road grime can cut your night visibility by 50% without you even noticing. Go into your lighting menu and set them to auto schedule. The car will automatically blast the lenses every few hundred miles of nighttime driving, ensuring you always have maximum throw from your bulbs. It's a massive safety win that takes 5 seconds to activate. Secret feature number 1, key fob range extender using your head. It sounds like a joke, but it's pure physics. If you're at the back of a massive parking lot and can't find your car, hold the fob against your chin and press the button. The water and fluids in your skull act as a dielectric resonator, turning your head into a giant antenna. It can easily double your range. It looks ridiculous, but it works every single time you're lost in a sea of SUVs. Which one of these ghost features is actually on your car right now? Go out to the driveway, test them out, and comment below with what you found. Most of these are hidden in your owner's manual, the one book nobody reads. If you want to keep your car out of the shop and more money in your pocket, click this next video right here for more professional car care secrets.